How to fix lost light lag and FPS drop. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're facing lag and FPS drop issue in Lost Light, then the first thing to do is to open up the Lost Light game on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the gear icon. This will open up settings from where you'll need to click on video from the left hand side menu. Now you'll see the quality option at the top. Go ahead and adjust your graphic quality setting to smooth or standard. Now under FPS, choose the low or medium option. Now scroll down under graphics and go ahead and select the medium option under special effects. Disable the glow effect. Disable water surface reflection option, and once you do that, you can head back to the main home screen. Once you adjust these settings, your device will instantly improve performances. Also make sure that you have closed off any background running apps or games, and once you are sure of that, you'll be able to fix the laggy issue and the FPS drop issue. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.